Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to learn about relational data. This topic is very important for the DP-900 Microsoft Azure Data Fundamentals exam, and it's also the foundation of database management and data engineering. So, let's get started. Relational data is simply organized data stored in tables. Each table has rows and columns. Rows are like records. Each row represents one item or person. Columns are like attributes. They describe properties of that item or person. For example, imagine a table called customers. It has columns like customer ID, name, email, phone. Each row in this table is the detail of a single customer. This way, the data stays neat and organized, making it easy to search, filter, and analyze. The word relational comes from the relationships between tables. Relationships are created using primary keys, a unique ID for each record, foreign keys, a link to the primary key of another table. For example, think about a bookstore. We can have a books table and an orders table. In the orders table, the column book ID acts as a foreign key. It connects each order to the correct book in the books table. This way, tables are connected and we can bring data together logically. Relational data has some special features. Structured format. Data is always in tables with fixed columns. Schema-based. The design or structure of the tables is defined before we add data. Consistency. Rules are followed, like each record must have a unique primary key. Transactions. Relational data supports ACID properties. Let's quickly break down ACID. Atomicity. All steps in a transaction succeed or none at all. Consistency. The data remains valid after the transaction. Isolation. Transactions don't affect each other. Durability. Once saved, the data stays safe even if the system fails. These features make relational data reliable and trustworthy. Relational data is used almost everywhere. In banks, for customer accounts and transactions. In e-commerce, for products, customers, and orders. In hospitals, for patients, doctors, and appointments. Whenever we need structured, consistent, and reliable data storage with relationships, relational data is the perfect choice. Let's quickly summarize. Relational data is stored in tables with rows and columns. It uses primary keys and foreign keys to connect tables. It follows a schema and supports ACID transactions for reliability. It is widely used in banking, e-commerce, and healthcare systems. In the next video, we look at non-relational data and see how it is different. If you found this helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more DP-900 videos. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.